So hello guys, now we will make tagliolini pasta. For tagliolini pasta, we will use 20 pieces of egg yolk. Make sure you will not add any egg white, only egg yolk. So you can see how I am using our egg yolk. After baking the egg, only yolk we will use for our tagliolini pasta, right? So after that, our egg yolk 20 pieces, then we will use 500 gram of all purpose flour. Then we will sanitize this our surface area because we have to knead our dough over here, right? So you can see how I am cleaning, and it's time to make a dough, guys. So we will need our flour and egg yolk which we measure before. So you can see now we will make a volcano, and then we will put in a center our egg yolk which we keep separate in a bowl. So you can see how I am making a knead. So it's time to knead, so make sure everything mixed properly. So you can see our dough has been done almost. So after finish of this dough, we will put in a bowl, and then we will keep inside the chiller for 30 minutes, right? So for 30 minutes we will keep in a chiller. So you can see, then after that almost 30 minutes has been done. So you can see our pasta machine and his mold, right? So it's our flatter and it's our mold, and it's time to make a flat our dough which we made before, and it's already 30 minutes has been done, and it's time to make a thin shape of our dough, right? So you can see how I am making our dough in a thin shape. So this is the process, guys, which you have to be follow, right? So you can see, guys, this is the proper shape for our tagliolini pasta. So now I have to put this mold, because you can understand like it's like a cutter, right? But it's a mold. So cutter and mold, it's the same, right? And we will put a little bit flour on this cutter, and then we will put our this perfect shape of pasta. So you can see, look at this perfect shape of our tagliolini pasta, guys. So you can see this is the pasta, tagliolini pasta. Just we will trim a bit from the knife. So you can see, guys, this is real and homemade tagliolini pasta. If you are working in a fine dining restaurant, so you have to be make sure you should to make like this, and then we will make this one as a portion 100 grams. So you can see in the scale 104, so 104 100 gram, it's okay, it will run. From 500 gram flour and 20 egg yolk, I got 7 portion of a la carte tagliolini pasta.